Okay, so type is, I agree with the type and size. So can give the partial credits of 2. So, but you could have mentioned more straightforward answers, right? So something listed here: name, type, extension, default program, location, size, space taken by the operating system, the size on disk, created date, modified date, access date, life size. Could have mentioned more straightforward answers. Mention for hardware errors: keyboard function in error, mouse network connection error, computer does not function. List 4 software related problems: pop-up windows, licensing in partial display, the user interface automatically running the software. Yep, correct. These are simple things. Give 4 reasons why monitor doesn't work: hardware failure, power supply failure, operating system failure, or bad electrical. So this and this are related, no? Hardware failure, so again can give the partial credits, right? So we can go for a partial credit, I think say 3 maximum. Okay, next one. Next one. Give 4 reasons why monitor doesn't work. I'm going to give partial credits of 3, right, for this. Next one. Write down 4 operating system errors: slow to start, display the blank screen, not being responsive to the user command. So you have written 3. So can you tell me the 4th one? Yes. 4th one. Yes. Come on.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I have written the same answers, but sir, on the marks you have given me 2
Which one?
for that question, sir.
Let me. Okay.
Yes,
Which one?
the operating errors, system
You
errors,
are given
sir.
3.
Sir, in my one it shows 2, sir.
So reload and see, because it was 2. I have corrected that to 3.
Okay, sir, I'll check again, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. And the answer in your one, operating system errors, not being able to say use a command, yes, Windows don't boot, slowness of the computer, display blank string here. All 4 are correct. So I can give the 4 marks for this. Next, what is a computer virus? A computer virus is a malicious code which harms the computer system, destroy data, and has ability to replicate itself. Yeah, correct. Okay, so my answer on computer virus, you can also write down this one. A computer virus, please write down a computer virus is a malicious code which can damage computer resources such as hardware, software, or data, or it will misuse those resources. It can spread by replicating. It can spread by replicating. So that is a computer virus. So you cannot say it will delete. For sure, I don't know whether it's delete or not. You cannot say it will damage. For sure, we don't know whether it damage or not. But anyway, for sure, you can say it will misuse. Misuse can be damaging, destroying, reusing, or denied in the use, or stopping the use, or reduce the use, or wasting, anything. Misuse can be anything. So the better to use the word misuse resources, right? And it can spread by replicating. Can be spread by using replication methods. Right. So the next point, give 4 reasons for software errors. Lack of memory. Computer could be infected with the virus or software bug. Or 4 reasons for software errors. Yeah, can be hardware defect. That is also correct. Lack of memory can be a software, and computer could be infected with a virus or software bug or hardware defect. Can, yeah, correct. Okay, so then VGA port is used for keyboards. VGA for keyboards. Is it true? No, false. VGA for what? VGA for?
Monitors.
Monitors. USB, micro USB for smart devices, correct or wrong?
Correct.
Correct. So what are the smart devices? So you have smart cars, smart, let's say smart phones, smart watches. And have you seen smart mugs? Smart mugs. Mug can be smart, it can measure the things. So different indicates. This is smart mug. It has wireless charging and temperature indicators. Smart plates. So what are these smart devices? Smart devices are the devices which can be connected to the internet or the network. Using internet or network, you can measure things. You can monitor. So this is smart plate. You can use to analyze food. Smart plate can be used to analyze food. So these smart devices you can buy for, so smart devices are now, right, it's really, really cheaper. So you have like smart vacuum cleaner. So here see the price, it's only $14, including shipping. So that means it will come to your doorstep. If you spend like 3,000 rupees, it will come to your doorstep. So, but this is not a very like really smart one, but anyway, a basic one, which can detect the dust and clean it automatically. So it's only 3,000 rupees. You can buy it from eBay, but don't buy these days because now international shipping is like, don't know the level of international shipping. It's not really good because it's not timely. So some parcels are discarded, some are not there, some are vanished. So these days are not good for international shipping. Okay, let's move to the next one. Sorry. Not connecting the network is an example for hardware error. Yeah, it is hardware error. So it can be a hardware error, but it can also be a software error, right? Is an example for hardware error is also correct. So therefore,
I have put false because it is both software and hardware error.
Yeah, but is example for hardware error. So treat it in that way. So it doesn't indicate that it is only a hardware error. It can be software as well, but this example for hardware error. Yeah, that is correct. No harm in that. Only PS2 ports are used to keyboard and mouse? No. What else used for connect keyboard and mouse?
USB.
USB. USB is also used for keyboard and to connect the computer.
In older days, did we use serial ports to connect
Network.
connect?
Yep. Earlier days, serial parallel ports were also used. To connect computer network, the only step is connect to the network with the RJ45 connector. Is it correct? No, that is not the only step. There are many other steps. You have to put network card or network driver. You have to install that, and network. So network must be implemented. Then the last step is actually connecting the wire. Other than that, there are several other steps. So this is false. Question number 27. Application software is a computer program that is designed to perform specific tasks. Yes, application software designed for specific tasks. That is correct. And next, slowing down the computer is inevitably a problem of operating system. Is it? Is it surely a problem of operating system? Can you tell like that? No, it can be. It can be hardware fault. It can be virus issue. It can be virus issue. It can be hardware fault even. So it is not surely OS error. So it can be some other. So therefore this false. There are two ways to display strain in the Windows 10 operating system: tablet mode and PC mode. Yeah, it's true. You have in the near to the time indicator, there's something like balloon. You can click that balloon and switch between both modes, the tablet mode and PC mode. So can anyone demonstrate that? Okay, I'll give you the chance. Gayatri, can you show this to us? You can share the screen because we have not done any practical today. Or anyone who's using Windows 10? Yeah, Mesa. Okay. Okay, so you can see, right? Where's the button is? The button it's in the corner. Yeah, when you click the corner, you can see, right, the tablet mode. When you click the tablet mode, yeah, what will come? Yes, this is the interface. This is the tablet mode in your computer. Okay, remove the tablet mode and go to the PC mode back. You can click again and then click it again and it will go to the normal PC mode. This is the computer PC mode and the other one is surface mode or the tablet. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
You were doing the paper now, no? I saw that. paper Mesat?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. So because when we were starting class, I saw that you are in the progress. After that, you joined. Okay, the last question. There are standard formats and numbers. Formats and numbers used internationally, yes. So there are standards. So number formats are different depending on country to country. So sometimes we are going to the metric notation. So LBs and all. Sometimes we are going to kilogram, meters, miles, metrics, gallons. So those are some different notation. Likewise, country to country, this can be changed. This can be changed using the computer. And there's one more question, the 31, operating system can't be used to change the configure and settings of the computer. No, it can be used. You cannot say it can't be, it can be used. So the answer should be false for this one. Okay, with that, the Hamsa graded score is 89. But since you have completed this in 19, there's a small issue. You won't get full marks, right? You will get, so you have like the 13 is the intended day. Then 19 means 6 days already gone. 6 into -3 is -18. Then 89 plus -18 will be, yes, what? 71. Your adjusted score is 71, right? And Shamin, so you said you have problem, yes? What is that? Which one you got left mark? Question number?
31. Explain number system.
This one, explain number systems. This can be given partial marks, right?
Sir, I also get marks from decimal numbers.
Which? Can you tell your name? Lead me.
Gayathmi.
Gayatri. Which one? This one, no? Yeah, you can give it. So,
Sir, there is another.
can you tell me the question? This one? This one?
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah,
I have another question.
you can ask this.
In my paper, in question 22, it says false, but I think it's correct.
VGA port is used for keyboards. It's false.
No. No, not that one. That decimal number 51 in binary.
That's in here, I think. This is the answer. 110011.
Sir, both are same.
Both are same. Yeah, both are same. Then,
So,
yeah, this can be given here. Both are same, so this can be given as the answer. So is it? So why that has happened? I don't know.
Yes, sir.
Same answer, yeah, same answer.
B and 8 are both are same.
B and 8, both are same, right? Can be given the mark, right? Okay, anyway, Shamin, so after that updation, even you will get 3.93, but again, you have done this 17. 17 means like 4 days after the deadline. So 93, you have to subtract 12 marks from that, and you'll get 81 as the adjusted one, right? I'll publish the adjusted score after reviewing all the papers, right? After reviewing, grading all the papers, I'll publish the adjusted one. Okay, I have to review 2 more papers, which is Senuka's and Genoli's one. I think Mesat's one. So I think you
No,
have.
I finished it.
You finished. So it will be loaded here, right? So it will be loaded. It can also be graded, right? Okay. With that, we are going to stop for today. And next day, we'll discuss more about the remaining stuff. And we'll go back to the lesson and start discussing lesson on next day, right? Okay, don't think much about the term test marks. So, but anyway, so it's good that people have done on time, good marks. Rovinu has done on time. Tihan has done on time. Gayathmi seems done on time, marginally. Anadi given a try, but not done. But next time you have to give a try, right? Okay, then see you all next day. Good night. Bye.
bye, sir.
Good night, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir. Good night,
Good
sir.
night, everyone. Saranai.